This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a rare 2-acre lot, offering the perfect blend of privacy and convenient village living in Montgomery Center. Just 15 minutes away, Jay Peak Resort awaits. World-class skiing, an 18-hole championship golf course, and 4-season adventure right at your doorstep. From deep powder days to crisp morning runs, Jay Peak delivers legendary snow and terrain for skiers and riders of all levels. After a day on the slopes, come home to warmth and character. This home was completely remodeled, with custom woodwork throughout and a cozy wood stove. Step outside to your expansive backyard, a private retreat surrounded by trees, perfect for bonfires, gardening, or simply unwinding in nature. And just steps away, Montgomery Center offers everything you need: local markets, restaurants, and shops, making this the ideal location for year-round living or a weekend escape. With a spacious kitchen, flexible living areas, and a heated garage workshop, this home is built for comfort and creativity. And when winter gives way to warmer days, the adventure continues, from mountain biking and hiking to indoor water park fun for the whole family. Whether you're seeking a mountain getaway or a full-time retreat, this Montgomery home places you at the gateway to adventure, with Jay Peak just minutes away and small-town charm right outside your door. Schedule your showing today.